Hey tutors, so today we're going to talk about how to use a table format, a table method to solve algebra type of simultaneous equations. So here it is. So here's a question. Let me do a quick highlight for you. So you can see that this is basically a simultaneous type of equation, right? Type of question solving, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a table so that they can put in all the information in there, and without using any equations, they can find the answer in a very logical manner, which is what's most important: visual, logical, right? Here we go. So first things first, we write out the headers, fill in the data. So everything I've written here is from the question. So you know that we got to make 600 the same. So we do that by showing it visually. Okay, the important part about this step is the visual part. So the left brain is about organization, right? But the right brain is about spatial awareness and colors, the creativity side of things. So that's why it's useful for us to put in the colors over here for them to see that 600, 600, same. 900, 500, different. 900 is more. So due to the extra berries, it should cost more. So then it makes sense for them. It helps them to connect. Okay. So from there, just a table alone, they can create this. The 400 is 640. The working, of course, can be done somewhere else. But you see here, they don't have to do the this minus that and then show the number sentences and all that. You don't have to. Just show this table. PSLE, the notes from PSLE exam board is that as long as steps are shown in a logical manner, then marks will be awarded. So this is logic right there. So you can they can show that the 400 is gotten because of this comparison between the two equations. Yeah. So we found 100 already, and then I rewrite the first bunch of data down. I wrote these down again. This is copied from here, from the I wrote the 600, 900, 2760 again, so that we can compare the data one above the other, right? So it's so much easier for them to compare this way. So we found 100 of the berries already. They can find 900 of those berries easily, just multiplying. So again, colors, and there you have it. Final answer is found. Right, so the key to this method really is using the table so that data is visible, takes away their working memory, dedicate more bandwidth, so to speak, to their higher order thinking, right? And then the colors helps them with whole brain learning, helps them to connect easier, faster. Yeah, so this is Perry Lai. I hope this was useful to you. This is Transform Your Kid. If you liked it, then like this video, share this video, and comment on this video. I'll be happy to connect with you. Yeah, Perry Lai signing off.